Hi, I'm Glenn Dill, and welcome to my channel, and thanks for visiting. Core Competency Training's mission is your success. Now, we want to serve you and support you in achieving your life, career, and business goals. Well, maybe you're in a dead-end job that you just don't enjoy anymore, and you want to develop competencies that propel your career to the next level. Maybe you're a business owner or an HR professional, and you want to develop your employees' competencies so that they can see an exciting future working for you and can be promoted and help you and your business grow. Maybe you've just started a side hustle that you would like to eventually become a full-time business of your own. This is the place where you can find the resources you need to take the next step to achieving your goals. The free tutorials are organized in playlists by your area of interest, and subscribing to this channel gives you an additional access to exclusive content and tutorials and helps us continue to provide more free, valuable content. Also, check out our community where you can join others with similar interests and goals. Please visit our website by clicking on the link provided to gain access to even more free content and certification courses and much, much more. We look forward to serving you. Thanks.